Good day to you. Today we are going to raise the T7. I've heard and seen lots of people to lower it down, but why? You ain't going to do much with your legs anyway with this kind of bike. So let's see how the racing will affect to the drivability and ground clearance. As you all know, it's not that much, as you can see. So here we have these magical parts which are going to raise the Tenere something like 25 millimeters, almost an inch, if you want that in imperial or whatever square feet you Americans are using to measure the length. I don't know. No offense. So let's see how it goes.
Säätiedotus merenkulkijoille. Odotettavissa huomiseen keskipäivään asti.
Why there's always the same program?
Aluksi hyvä näkyvyys, yöllä lumisadetta ja huomenna vesisadetta. Läntinen suunnillasti harvoin kääntyvä.
Sweet 17. Oh yes, it is. I'm not sure if that camera is on the right angle. I'm not going to do OnlyFans, just for information. Okay. Stay put.
Voimistuvaa itään kääntyvää tuulta 3-6.
Is this going to explode or what? I'm not sure at all. Well, anything dramatic didn't happen. These new ones are a little bit shorter. I guess this is the right time to clean these two, or at least put some pressure air and hope that the dirt goes away. Look at these professional. What happens if I lower this? Okay, well, this is nice. This feels quite loose. Okay, okay, I didn't die. Nice, nice. So it was like that. Let's do a little blowing over here. Yeah. Now we're talking. Even a little more. Well, this is surprisingly easy. So, if you don't have one of these, you should absolutely get one. My quality of life has increased something like 70% or even more. Okay, there is a little wear in there. You raise me up more than I can bear. Okay, this is too much. I know. Sorry. I'm so sorry. That was tight. I guess that's okay. That wasn't exactly very long operation. Okay, nice. That's our first video where I'm cleaning the garage. Well, I'm not sure if it's any better, but the tail is slightly upper than it was before, so I'm not sure. You tell me, is it good or not? Yeah, well, yeah, it feels slightly taller, but you know, if somebody else would have done that racing, I wouldn't even notice. Now. So, is it any different? Shortly, it's not.